Yeah, I think he shit his pants, and that's why he left early. Let's see what he has to say.
Shit, man?
Shit, man!
Shit, man, are you reading a comic right now?
Shit, man! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Shit, man! You sick fuck! Who's...
Did you shit in Paulina's car tonight?
Who shits in her fucking pants in the French car? Who the fuck does that? Who?
Did you shit in your pants? Is that why you had to leave early tonight?
Oh my god, Dom, what do you have to say about that?
I got nothing to say. She makes it shit.
He makes it shit like fucking Dom makes it rain in strip clubs, right, Don?
That's right.
Holy shit, who's fucking calling you?
Damn, I don't know what's worse. Fucking you shitting in your pants or fucking Haynes blowing with the fucking bitches at the club?
I didn't fucking blow it, you piece
He
of
fucking
shit.
spills his drink everywhere.
I didn't know it was a
Fucking
shot. I fucking didn't blow it. I got
You
it.
blew it like you blow it out your ass.
Oh my god.
He had
No,
a
I
fucking
didn't
cup,
blow
he
it.
poured it all over her. He's like, I got a fucking shot. He pours it on her lap.
I didn't know it
Fall
was,
out of the cup as fast as it falls out of your ass.
I didn't know it was a
Disgrace.
shot. Fuck you
What
guys.
a fucking disgrace.
You piece
Just
of
as
shit.
fucking watery.
I'm embarrassed to be your friend.